Before you pack your checked bag, make sure you know the rules. Airlines and security have pretty strict guidelines about what you can bring. Some things are banned everywhere, but others depend on your airline or where you're going. Even frequent travelers get tripped up by changing rules. These are the top 10 things you should never pack in checked luggage, and why. Follow these simple tips to avoid extra screening, having stuff taken away, or even getting fined. All right, let's jump in. Lithium-ion batteries, like the ones in your phone, laptop, or power bank, should never go in your checked bag. If they get damaged, they can overheat or even catch fire, which is really dangerous in the cargo hold. That's why the rule is simple. Always put lithium-ion batteries in your carry-on, not your checked luggage. So before you head to the airport, take a minute to check your bags and pull out any spare batteries or power banks from your checked luggage. Just keep them with you in the cabin to be safe. Number 2. Fireworks and explosives are strictly banned from all airline luggage. They can ignite or even explode if they're under pressure or get too hot, so they're a serious safety risk on any flight. Always leave fireworks and explosives at home. If you see a "no fireworks" sign at the airport, that's why. This rule's enforced everywhere to keep everyone safe. Number 3. Don't pack flammable liquids in your checked bag. That means things like gasoline, paint thinner, or anything else that can easily catch fire. If these liquids leak or get too hot, they can start a fire. Even a tiny bit is a big risk on a plane. So, just leave flammable stuff at home. If you're not sure, check the TSA's list or ask your airline before you pack. Look for the "no flammable liquids" sign at the airport and stick to the rules so everyone stays safe. Number 4. Pressurized aerosol cans. Only small toiletry aerosols like deodorant or shaving cream are allowed in checked bags, and just in limited amounts. Big cans, like spray paint, bug spray, or cleaning products, are a no-go because they can explode or leak under pressure. Here's why. Aerosol cans are pressurized and might burst or leak during a flight, which could damage your bag or even start a fire. Here's number 5. Never put smart luggage with a non-removable battery in your checked bag. Airlines need the battery to be removable, because if a fire starts in the cargo hold, it's a big danger. So always take the battery out before you check your bag, or just bring the suitcase as a carry-on. Alcohol that's over 70% ABV isn't allowed in checked bags. It's just too flammable and creates a serious fire risk on flights. Number 7. Let's talk about vapes and e-cigarettes. That means vape pens, e-hookahs, all those devices. They always need to go in your carry-on, never in your checked bag. Why? Because their lithium-ion batteries can get really hot or even catch fire. And that's the last thing you want happening in the cargo hold. Continues. So just remember, keep them with you, not in your checked luggage. Always keep your vapes and any spare batteries in the cabin with you. Don't toss them in your checked bag. Look for signs at the airport that say, "Carry-on only." This rule is everywhere, and it's all about keeping everyone safe. Number 8. Dry ice. Airlines do let you bring a little in your checked or carry-on bag, usually up to 5.5 pounds or 2.5 kilograms per person. Just make sure your container is labeled dry ice with the net weight and that it lets gas escape. Never use a sealed box. Be sure to tell the airline at check-in if you're carrying dry ice. Double-check your airline's policy before you pack. If you label things right and stay within the limit, you'll avoid any delays. With a little prep, you can travel with dry ice safely and keep your stuff cold the whole way. Number 9. Drone batteries. If you're bringing a drone on your trip, make sure to take the batteries out before you pack it. Never put them in your checked bag. Always keep them in your carry-on. That's because lithium-ion batteries can get too hot or even catch fire. And if something happens, the crew needs to be able to deal with it right away. To keep things safe, cover each battery's ends with tape or pop them in a protective case. It's a simple step, but the TSA and most airlines require it to help everyone avoid problems. Before you head out, double-check batteries out, ends covered, and all batteries in your carry-on. If you're not sure, just check your airline's website for the latest info. Number 10. Bear spray and pepper spray are a definite no-go in any airline luggage. These sprays are pressurized and, if they go off, they can put everyone on board at risk. So don't pack bear spray or pepper spray in your checked or carry-on bags. Just leave them at home to avoid any delays or penalties. Before you zip up your suitcase, take a quick look at the TSA's list of items you can't bring. Knowing the rules ahead of time means you'll avoid any last-minute hassles, like delays or having things taken away. TSA and airline rules can change, so it's always smart to check them before you fly. Staying up to date is the easiest way to pack smart and travel with confidence. Give your bag one last check, follow the latest guidelines, and you'll breeze right through security. Have a great trip.